Hi everyone, just come to demonstrate the X Series Immobiliser, what we just fitted on this Kia Stinger. It's a CAN bus immobiliser that automatically immobilises the vehicle once you open the door. And to deimmobilise the vehicle, what you need to do is input a usually a 4-digit combination code using your existing vehicle controls, usually on the steering wheel, etc. So I'm just going to demonstrate it now. So if we get into the vehicle as normal, try and start the vehicle. As you can see, the vehicle cuts out. So what we need to do, if we pop the ignition on and then we input the customer's 4-digit combination. So we've got a little flash there to say that that's inputted correctly. So now we're just going to try and start the vehicle. And as you can see, the vehicle starts as normal. And then what we do is, if we just turn the vehicle off, and if you just watch that light there, we open the door, and then we got 2 flashes of that light, which tells us that it's immobilised again. So that's the Scorpion X Series Immobiliser. It's available on our website, www.esauto.co.uk, and it's £449 including installation at your home address.